Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2022 Yamaha VF115. This is a 20-inch. This is going to be a control box unit. I can put a tiller handle on it. That will be extra. It will come with the control box. We kind of checked this one out. It only has 37 hours on it, so what happened here is the guy bought a pontoon, couldn't get a 200 horse motor, so what he's doing is he's trading this in and we are repowering his boat with a 200 horse and spring. So that's kind of the story on how we ended up with this one here. We checked the spark plugs, impeller, the oil filter is all changed. The oil fuel filter was changed in September on a tune-up. So we'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Tilt and trim's working good. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral, reverse, neutral, shut it off, fire it back up. Shut it off here. This motor does still have warranty. It was registered in June of 2022. So it's still got 2.5 years left of warranty. But if you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.